Hey, what's up, traders? Welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'll be sharing another interesting trading strategy, which, as you can see on the chart, this trading strategy is another simple one, which you can use in two different ways. The trading strategy, which we'll be discussing today, will be utilizing a raised price channel for our direction, and also you can use the stochastic for scalping. If you are a scalper, you can use the stochastic to scalp the market based on the direction of the market. And here you have one interesting indicator, which is the Forex power strength. You will be able to know which currency is really doing well and which one is doing poorly. So what we use this indicator is to gauge the market. So if I want to trade the market, I will be trying as much as possible to align a currency which is strong against the one which is weak, because you know how you make money from the market is by trying some of these techniques, one of it being the currency strength. If you are trading an economy which the currency is a bit weak at that very particular point in time against a currency which is very strong, there is opportunity for you to make money from the market because you can take leverage from this. So here you see in this kind of scenario, if it's in the live market, we try to pair the Swiss franc with Canadian dollar, because you can see the Swiss franc is very strong and the Canadian dollar is very weak. Also, you can pair Swiss franc with USD, which is a United States dollar. You can also do with New Zealand against Canadian dollar, or New Zealand against US dollar. So these four combinations can really work out in a very perfect way. So in this trade, you see we have a US dollar against a Swiss franc. So in this case, the base currency is the US dollar and the quote currency is the Swiss franc. And looking at our currency strength, you can see that the Swiss franc is stronger than the US dollar. So in this case, you should be looking only for opportunity to sell the market, because you have already, using the Forex power, you have already discovered that you have a more strength in the Swiss franc compared to the US dollar. So your directional bias should be on shorting the market in this instance, because the strength of the Swiss franc is higher than that of the US dollar. So this is what we'll be doing considering this very particular point in time. So here you have a sell signal when this the price channel is broken downward. So all you do is you open your sell trade, considering the fact that we have already highlighted what the signal is giving us. So when you open your sell trade in this instance, you will see that price will move in the direction of selling the market. Here also you see, here you have a signal for a sell, and you open your sell trade considering this as well, and price is heading in the direction of selling the market. How do you use this for scalping? As a scalper, if you want to use this strategy, what you need first to identify is to make sure that the Forex power is giving you the directional bias, which is which currency is stronger than the other. So once you identify this, then next you come to the signal. Once you get a sell signal like this, confirming the direction of the Forex power, so what you do is you go to the histogram to check. Once you get the histogram in the direction of the price channel, then you open your sell trade. Where do you exit your trade? You exit the trade the moment you have a reverse signal. Once you get a reverse signal, you exit your trade. So you see here again you get a signal to sell the market. So here you sell the market, and here you get a signal again for reverse, you exit the market. You wait again, you get a signal here, you enter your sell. Here you get a reverse signal, you exit the market. Here you get a signal again, you enter your market. Here you get a reverse signal, you exit the market. So all you'll be waiting for is looking at this Forex power and also looking at the histogram to see when it gives you the direction which confirms with the price channel. Using the same concept on my chart now, you see I have a New Zealand dollar against Canadian dollar. Here the New Zealand dollar is the base currency, the Canadian dollar is the quote currency, and see here from the Forex power we have a confirmation that New Zealand dollar is stronger than the Canadian dollar. Very, very strong. So in this case we'll be only considering the opportunity to buy the market. So here for day traders who just take one trade, the moment you get this signal at this point, you enter your buy and you allow the market to play out, and you see from here the moment you enter your buy, the market has been going up and the market is still moving in the upward direction. For scalpers, at this point, once you get here, you have here your bias, which is giving you a buy market. So you wait for the signal to confirm with the stochastic. So here you get a stochastic saying that the market is going up, you enter. Here you get a reverse signal, you exit the market. First you watch, you get another signal here to enter. Here you enter your buy. Here you get a signal to exit, you exit the market. Here again you get a signal for buy, you enter your buy. Here you get a signal to exit, you exit the market. Here you get a buy. Okay, here you enter your buy again. At this point, here you get a opposite signal, you exit the market. You wait again for another signal. Here is another buy. Here you get a signal to exit the market. You are out of the market. Here you get a signal to buy the market. You enter your buy. So this is how you continue if you are a scalper. But if you are just a day trader who just enter one trade per day or one or two trades per day, the moment you get this signal at this point, you enter your market. Then you allow the trade to play out. With this indicator, if you are monitoring your charts, you just have to enter the market and observe how the market plays out, monitoring this Forex power, because this is your main target of the signal indicator. So the moment you see that the Forex power is, the strength of the currencies are beginning to narrow down, you try to manage your trade accordingly, or you exit the market. So this is very simple and a very straightforward strategy to use. Here I want to show you why this strategy is very important and very nice. You can see from here the US dollar and the Canadian dollar, both of them are weak currencies. So you see at this chart, you see here you are getting conflicting signal, you see here. So it's only a very big confusion, because the moment you enter the market again reversed, and the moment again you enter the market, so you can see there is a big chop, a big confusion in the market. So in this kind of instance, you use this currency, the power, Forex power, to gauge the market and know that this is not a currency you can trade at this moment. Here in this chart, you have a GBP card, where the British pound is the base currency and the Canadian dollar is the quote currency. You see from here the Canadian dollar being a very weak currency at this moment, and you have the British pound in the medium term strength, which is very good at this point, because it's having a 6 strength power, so it's a very nice strength. If you see, you get a signal from our price channel telling us that the price is going to move up. So you see from this point, all the way price has been going up and price is still moving up. For those who are scalping the market, All you do is to focus and be taking your trade the moment you get your signal. Here again, you get a signal, you enter your buy. Here again, you get a signal, you enter buy. Here you have another signal for buy. Here another signal for buy. Here another signal for buy. Here you have another signal for buy, which is purely 100% profit because you just follow the market and focus on the direction of the market. And this is a very simple and easy strategy. Please guys, as you can see, this strategy is something that you can try to use. Put a comment in the description box below and let us know how you see the indicators and how you find this strategy. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please try to subscribe to encourage us to do more content like this. And we wish you all the best in your trading. Thank you.